In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Grammarly account, your go-to online writing assistant, in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're crafting emails, writing reports, or perfecting your novel, Grammarly can make your writing more precise and polished. So let's get you logged in and ready to go. First off, open your preferred web browser and hop over to Google. Once there, you'll want to type Grammarly into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results, with Grammarly usually right at the top. Click on the official Grammarly link to access their website. This is the first essential step to getting into your account and exploring all the tools Grammarly has to offer. Assuming you already have an account with Grammarly, which many people do, you're going to want to look for the login or sign in option on their homepage. If you don't have an account yet, this would be the time to create one. But for today's purposes, let's focus on logging in. With the sign in page now in front of you, you'll notice it prompts you to enter your email address. This email should be the same one you used to sign up for Grammarly, so go ahead and type it in, ensuring there are no spaces or typos. If you're using a shared or public computer, be sure to double check the email to avoid signing into the wrong account. Once you've entered your email, you'll see a button labelled Continue. Click on this to proceed to the next step of the login process. Now, here's a helpful tip. If you're logged into your Google account, Grammarly offers a streamlined way to sign in. Just click on Continue with Google, which will save time and keep things nice and simple. After clicking Continue with Google or completing any other authentication steps your account might require, you should soon find yourself redirected to the Grammarly homepage. This is your main dashboard for the writing assistant. From here you can quickly start a new document, access your existing ones, and explore all the features Grammarly provides to boost your writing. If for some reason you couldn't complete the login process, double check your credentials for any possible errors. Also, ensure there are no issues with the internet connection or that you're logging into the correct platform. If all else fails, you can always visit Grammarly's help section for more detailed support. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully logged into your Grammarly account, opening the door to enhanced, more effective writing.